laughter connects. And that's one of the wonderful things about laughter in a dementia setting. Besides reducing the anxiety and agitation, it does also enhance their cognitive state. And hi, I'm Emma, and I'm here to lead you in some laughter exercises that are good for your health, good for your emotions. Caregivers are going to go through like the stages of grief. It may be, denial, anger, sadness, all those different categories. But it's exhausting, or it can be, as the condition progresses. And the more you can encourage them to participate in some of your sessions, I feel like the better it will be. It's hard to realize that someone that you love and has known all your life does not know your name or your relation to them. But you can help them learn to have a new relation, which can be just as fulfilling. Laughter is one of the best medicines that there is for caregivers, staff, and the patients. And so